So we are going to go through this short video. I just want to make a quick reaction to this. In case if you are living in Anambra or you are planning to go to Anambra, or maybe you have an emergency that any meeting, whatsoever they're going to bring you to Anambra, please, this video, you need to pay very close attention to that, because if a lot is going on in Igbo land today. Every state have their own, some of these security agents and vigilante, they're not feeling that they're in heaven. A lot of atrocities is going on. Everybody want to dish their own order, their own command. You can't believe what is going on. What you are seeing here is Soludo's people, in the market, one remote market like that in Anambra, telling them what to do, how to go. You must not keep late. You must do this, you must do that. The native daughter war between Soludo and the native daughters are still ongoing. So what you are going to see here will interest you, but make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you like this video and tell us what you think about it. It is very, very important that you do so. And let me know, before I forget, please, if you are a subscriber here and let me say you forgot to turn your bell notification on, please do that, because I noticed that most of you don't you don't receive notification. When video is being sent out from this channel, some of you don't get the notification. I don't know why. I believe it could be that you subscribe without turning the bell notification on. Try and do that so that you will get notification each time we upload here. Very, very important. So if you have somebody that lives in Anambra, or maybe your relatives or your friends, anything at all, anybody that's planning to go to Anambra, this news, please share it to them so that they'll be aware of this new development. You may not, I'm not saying you should like it. I'm not saying that you must follow it, but at least one need to tread with caution, because you don't know who is who. Do you understand? You don't know who is who. So let us hear from them. Very, very important. You can see the command and the audacity. Or you make a bother your grandma on. The authority is second to none. Anyway, listen.
ndị na-eje ije abalị, biko nke ọbụla ị na ọkụkwa 10:30 la nke ụnara na na-ekwu ọkụkwa ọjịkwara ọkara kapeta elekere 10 la nke ọbụla ije ekwere ndị nche wetakwa ego ha kala.
But this language does not sound like an Iberian language. I don't know. Let me go to this place. This write-up says, let us go. This is from Prince Oscar Ugeze official. So the message is for those living in Anambra or those planning to go to Anambra in weeks or months to come. As a youth, you must know that young guys are being pied anywhere in Anambra since January by Soludo new security outfit. Be careful when going to Anambra, especially if you are not from Anambra State. So if you're not, which is people who may not have the knowledge, and you're gonna hear what I said here. So, but Anambra and Enugu, somehow their language, I don't know I don't know the community here, to be honest with you, because the dialect of this man here sounds different from Anambra language. I don't know the part of Anambra where he come from.
nye anyị ma akpụrụ ha ọzọ dị ka ibia bụ ndị na-achụrụ anyị aja na-akụwa akwa n'okporo ụzọ ga-ekwenụ ntị ọfụma ndị na-eje n'ọnụ nna m eje achụ aja nke ụmụaka na-eje asa ahụ onye anyị wetaka ekwe n'ọnụ nna m na-achụ aja nye anyị na-ajakwara owere ọkwa na ị ga-achụ aja chewe nke na-achụ aja Johnson ọha ndị na-eje achụrụ anyị aja rie anyị wetakwa ha okporo ụzọ anyị bụ ha chụzinala anyị aja ebe ahụ ndị na-akụwa akwa n'okporo ụzọ anyị wetakweghị igoro anyị 100 grains of egg ịchọkwa nchụ aja jee nke na-achụ aja ọkwa ndị chọrọ ịchụ aja na mmiri jee na nganga sechata ka ịcha achụ aja andị ndị na-adịghara anyị eri n'imi saịkikwa eweta onye ọha anyị ejije n'ọdụ n'iworo ọzọ dị ka ịbịa bụ ọkwa na ị ma na ị na-ele stọọ ma n'ime ogbe ma n'etiti ụzọ Wednesday na-abịa ọkụkwa 10 o'clock bịa na civic center ndị niile nwere stọọ ndị niile na-akpọba ahịa ma n'ogbe ma n'etiti ụzọ ọtụkwa 10 o'clock bịa na civic center ka anyị na unu baa ọnọdụ anyị na unu Wednesday na-abịa 10 ụtụtụ denu onye mụkwara nka kwubekwa ọnụ onye osi nọkwa be nwatakịrị edekwa ezi osi ya sịkwa ya hapụ obodo a ụna na na-ekwu ọkwa ndụ nwadụ na-eje osi ohe nọ n'ime nwa nwa na-eje osi na mma maka na oge ebido n'owuwe ego wee mee ya ọkwa ndụ nwadụ na-eje osi sịkwa ya hapụrụ anyị obodo a ozo mgbagbu ọgbaja nke ọzọ gbakwara maka na anyị wetakwa ịbịakwa mbe ruo ikekwa bara n'ime so ka ọ ragodi anyị na ọfụchisiri ike.
So this message is what they said, and some people see that as a new development, like a good thing. But the danger in what they're saying now is that, of course, innocent life will go in the name of oh, you look like a criminal. Oh, the way you walk, the way you cut your hair, the way you dress. This clothes can only be worn by a criminal. What is your job? Why are you looking so fresh? Can I see your phone? So what are you doing to buy this kind of phone? That kind of thing. And somebody who don't have, whose luck is not on his side may go in for that. And that is why it is very, very dangerous. And to me, Soludo is not getting it right, even though he's a professor and everything, but I don't think this is the best way to handle security issue. And some people may say, why is it that local vigilantes are the one doing this kind of thing? What is the job of police? They should also understand their limits. But Africa is Africa. Anything goes. They don't care. They can use anything just to pass time. They can use anything just to make it look like they are doing something. But this is just to undermine the work of police and the work of security forces. And some people may say people that are being recruited in this security outfit could be, the real criminals themselves, because ordinarily, tell me where did they learn how to use catapults? How did they study it? Because some of them, government don't ask this kind of question. You just recruit them without training them on what to do. Anyway, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Tell me what you think about it, and God bless you all. See you again. Bye-bye for now.